Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to request your official UK travel history report from UK government. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so in front of you I have opened official UK government website. So if you see here, they have given information about request personal information held in the borders, immigration, citizenship. There are three types of request: basic, specific and detailed. So entry and exit, like travel history, okay, it comes under basic, and your travel history can be provided for past 5 years if a passport travel document is submitted for this period. Okay, so you have all that information. Now when it comes to access it, and this is free, okay, you can use online application form, but you need to prove you need to send some documents also that you are the authorized person, right? So for photo identification such as passport, letter of permission, if you have someone like your representative, proof of relationship if for child under 12, okay, they have given all that information. There's an email also if you have a query, okay. So click on online application form. So you can read all this, and once you are okay, you can click on apply now, start a new application. So you can click on basic records, save and continue, because that travel history comes under basic. Now it is asking what are the things you need. So this one we are gonna go save and continue. You need to put an email, create a password, and then save and continue. So I'm gonna do that. So what it does is it sends a verification email with the link. You gotta click and then you can proceed. So then it asks the email address you belong, then to whom it belongs to. So in my case I click this, but you gotta answer as per your case, and then click on save and continue. Then it is asking for immigration advisor. I select no, but you need to answer as per your case. Then it's gonna show you all the questions that you have answered till now, and you can click on continue. They're asking someone else. I select no. Then documents, declaration, your name. So I'm just putting sample. Of course I will not go to the final stage. Let me put some sample. It is asking have you ever used any other name. I click on no. I select yes. This is just I created now, so don't send an email to this. I won't be responding. Smith's telephone number. I'm gonna put some sample. Then it's asked for an address that you can put where you live in UK. So I'm gonna put some sample. If it does not show up here, you can enter manually also. So I'm gonna do something, and then we are gonna go to the next stage. Next is ask about nationality, date of birth and country of birth. So I'm gonna put some sample. This is a strange question, but they ask your other dates of birth. Have you ever used or provided us with a date of birth other than the date for that? I select no. But let's see. Further identify you have previously made UK visa application. Please include the date you made your application. First included mother's first name. Like this is they're gonna just to match. Let's see if I can pass through this screen. Otherwise we are more or less sure, like after this they will be asking about documents that we have to, then declaration, and going forward from there. So let's see if I can bypass this stage. Pass this current situation, so I select appropriately and click on save and continue. Then it asks for your reference numbers if you have. So whatever you have, you provide them, because they want to make sure that they are correct person. So WRS number, whatever you have, okay, so that they can pin down to the exact record. Have used other travel documents. I select no, whatever is the case. Inclusion of family members with application. I select no. Now you can check all your answers, and if you're okay, you can go to the next section. Then documents, and from here you can go to the next section, and then you can declaration, and then from there you can apply. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.